Up until now, we have built powerful GenAI components, but real systems fail not because models are weak. They fail because we trust them too much. In this lecture, we will build a minimal production style GenAI system that knows when not to answer. Now, this is the system overview. The system will have four stages: input validation, context retrieval, confidence estimation, and conditional generation. The model will come after these. It will not be the first thing, it will be the last thing. Now let's move to the code. I'm using Google's official GenAI SDK. I'm not using any frameworks, any abstraction. This keeps the system logic visible. Now you might be wondering why I'm not using LangChain. Because frameworks hide control points. Today is about thinking in systems, not chaining calls. So this is the environment setup. Then we are doing input validation. This looks simple, but this is critical. Most GenAI demos skip validation. Production systems never do. After this, we have the context retrieval. This is our context retrieval. So in real systems, this would be a vector database. For learning purposes, we have mocked it. The system logic will remain same. If you have noticed, we are building the confidence first. Like we are building the confidence before we are generating anything. This is the key difference between demos and production. Skip everything and they go into generation. In production, first the confidence is built. Like, okay, I'm going to generate something. How confident I am in generating that particular thing. Then we have confidence estimation. So this is here. Now, confidence does not need to be perfect. It can never be. It just has to exist. After this, we are using the conditional generation. Generation is the final step. After all the confidence, all the query estimation and retrieval context, everything. Last, we have our final step, which is generation. Now, that's the mindset shift I want. I don't want you to just jump into the generation. I want you to think that whether generation is required for the query in the first place or not, whether the query is right or not. So this is the thing. I'm giving again the prompt that if the context is below the sufficient number, you can simply say I don't know. And that's a very good response in the production because giving wrong answers is much worse than saying that I don't know. Now we have full pipeline here. So I have wired everything. Now this makes a system. Now this single conditional thing, this conditional, this is preventing hallucinations. Most demos don't have it. Production systems must have it. Now, see, intelligence does not come from a bigger model. It comes from better decisions around that particular model. In next phase, we will turn this thinking into real projects. Now let's run it. So we will have our output in some time. Now we have our output. So we got the answer. So that's all for this video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, take care and bye.